Hey everyone, Air Auto Play giving an update on the 2004 SLK 320 Copart flood car. Looks like we're on part 9 of actually making a video and show you some updates of what's going on. So I actually found picknpull had some seats, so went to grab the driver's seat and the passenger seat, and was able to get them out, and they both work. I already tested them out. They go forward and back and everything like that, so that was a good find. Got the screws for this the center console cover, so that goes in good. You know, so that goes down good. And even found this little trim piece here that it's a little bit dark brown, but for now, you know, let it ride. I may actually put some carbon fiber vinyl wrap around it or something like that, but we'll see. They did have this piece, but it was kind of broken where the hinge part is, so I kind of just let that slide. And oh, got these WeatherTech floor mats. I mean, I just kind of threw them in real quick. I mean, got those for a couple bucks, so that's a good deal. And got the vacuum pump here. I went ahead and replaced it and gave my core. And I mean, basically got this for next to none. I mean, they go for 150 bucks on eBay, so that was a good thing. And I mean, all the door locks work now. And in the process of rustproofing this whole trunk well, I think that's what you call it. I mean, it definitely has some, you know, water damage. I got in here with a, what do you call that, a wire brush on the drill, and started just kind of cleaning it. I started with this side, and then I got with this little Dremel and just kind of cleaning it to the bare metal, as you see right there, to get all the rust, you know, off of it. And I kind of just sprayed it in last night so it doesn't rust anymore. Like, that one hasn't started, but you know, you can't leave it out for too long. But you can see when I'm cleaning the metal, and you know, I gotta clean all this up right here. And I removed this. This may need a new one of these, depending on how that looks. This is like a little alarm module that kind of sits right here. It sits like that. But I moved everything out the way for now to get this part done. And you know, kind of going from there, you know. So just want to give an update, and I'll probably get back to recording exactly what's going on here. I need to tighten up this light bulb on this side. This is a little loose, I noticed, and my brake light switch is still not working. So I wonder if there's an issue with that, you know, because I got this lower dash panel in. I mean, I went and done some work with this thing, but I went and put this doggone hood release thing in. I cracked it on the bottom where these mounting things are, because I was pulling this and this is off. So I'm gonna have to redo that. I'm probably gonna end up just fiberglass in that or something. I mean, I've got like so many hours in this lower dash panel. Just give me a run for my money. But you know, it is what it is. So it's coming together. You know, one piece at a time. But I will end up, I mean, I got all this carpet all, I mean, it's kind of dirty now, but it was all backing up and cleaned up. But I probably end up taking these seats back out and you know, rustproofing under here. And I did find out that there is, let's see if I can lift it up. I'm not gonna do it right now, but there's like a cell phone module underneath this driver's seat. Like, I was seeing what that was, and I did some research to find out what it was. So not needed, but I may end up putting like a little amplifier underneath the seat. So who knows, you know. It's just gonna take some time to rip up all this carpet and whatnot. Hold on, and go from there. So be back.